TLS is the engine behind HTTPS, but TLS 1.3 represents a major redesign rather than a minor update. Earlier versions accumulated complexity over decades, and TLS 1.3 streamlined the handshake, removed outdated cryptographic options, and improved both speed and security. So 1.3 handshake begins with the client hello message, and the client proposes supported protocol versions, cipher suites, and key exchange parameters. It also sends key shared information for ethereal Diffie-Hellman exchange. This is early inclusion, reduces the round trips. And the server responds with its selected parameters and certificate. Immediately, both sides begin deriving those shared secrets. Cipher suites defined the cryptographic algorithm used during the session. In 1.3, the options are simplified compared to older versions. Each suite specifies the symmetric encryption algorithm as well as the hash function, and key exchange mechanisms are standardized around the ethereal Diffie-Hellman. By removing legacy combinations, TLS 1.3 reduces that misconfiguration risk, and security improves by narrowing the attack surface. Ephemeral Diffie-Hellman enables forward secrecy. Session keys are derived from temporal key exchanges that are not reused. Even if a server's long-term private key is compromised later, past sessions can still remain secure. This property is critical for long-term confidentiality, and modern TLS deployments require forward secrecy by default. 1.3 reduces handshake latency to 1 round trip in most cases. In previous versions, multiple exchanges were required before encrypted data could even flow. By sending the key shares immediately, the client accelerates that key agreement, and once shared secrets are derived, the application data security or encryption begins quickly. This efficiency matters as global internet scales, and milliseconds multiplied by billions of connections can actually become quite significant. 1.3 also supports zero-RTT data in certain resumption scenarios. If a client reconnects to a server it has already communicated with, it may send encrypted application data in its first message. This eliminates a full round trip. However, that zero-RTT introduces a replay risk because early data can potentially be resent by attackers. Servers must carefully manage which operations they allow zero-RTT and which they won't. Authentication encryption is mandatory as well, and algorithms like AES-GCM and Cha-Cha-20, Poly 1305 provide confidentiality and integrity together. Separate MAC constructions used in older versions are no longer supported, and this simplifies the protocols and reduces vulnerability classes. Design decisions for TLS 1.3 reflect lessons learned from real-world attacks, and the protocol matured through experience. TLS 1.3 streamlines our handshake mechanics, enforces forward secrecy, and mandates that authentication encryption. It also reduces latency while strengthening our security guarantees. Cipher suite simplification minimizes our configuration errors, while zero-RTT or round trip improves our performance but requires a careful risk management structure.